Ayo guys, kirim guys. Udah 8:30. Okay, let's start. So from Mr. Echo first. The paragraph illustrates the accommodation of for holiday chosen by British for different countries. I want to see how you group the data and your overview. Hotel is the highest chosen accommodation in all countries. Yep, hotels like paling banyak dipilih, while other facilities were varies between countries. Apa? Facilities apa? Bukan beda. Nggak bisa. Self-catering in 3 countries. England, Scotland, Wales took the second place. Yep. But Northern Ireland people choose caravan as the second chosen accommodation. Yep. What else? Di sini hanya bilang hotels dan apa ya? Hotels, self-catering, caravan. Bilang saja kalau hotel sih ya paling tinggi ya benar. Terus self-catering dia apa? Overall itu dia jadi second place karena di 3 negara ini berarti dia sudah mewakili. Jadi nggak perlu bilang misalnya di sini yang hijau di sini caravan. Kalau sudah sebut ini self catering menjadi yang kedua yang paling dipilih, udah cukup. Kemudian kita bisa bilang bahwa ini caravan dan camping made up only small percentages. Dia mereka hanya dapat small percentages doang. Overall, like in 3 countries here. Okay, as it's observed, unnecessary. Jadi nggak perlu pakai as it is observed. Just go straight to the point bahwa hotel demanded by more than 40% of British in all countries. Ini aktif atau pasif? Perhatikan strukturnya. You'll be assessed for your grammar. Bukan demanded apa ya? Hotels was chosen. Hotels were chosen by more than 40% of British people in all countries. Yep, as the highest proportion of British that choose hotel accommodation. We don't need to say this because it's actually clear. It's actually clear di awal kan di overview. This one like yeah we know that. Why do we need to mention this again? England showed about 55% of British. What does it even mean? England menunjukkan 50% dari British. What? Ini berkaitan dengan hotel. So just say bahwa hotels di sini kita sebenarnya bisa gabung England dan Scotland. Kita bisa bilang dia over 50%. Jadi kita bisa bilang intinya hotels, a majority of people in the UK chose hotels as their accommodation for their holiday. Ini England and Scotland made up, atau mungkin the percentage of hotels booked by people in England and Scotland were around over 50%.
Yes.
Ya.
Kalau gitu bukannya itu populasinya hotel yang dipilih, bukan populasinya British.
Percent of hotels booked.
Harusnya bukan percentage of the British who chosen
The percentage
hotels as accommodation. Ya.
Is it different? Let's change it then. Percent of people
Nah, gitu. Booking
much
hotel.
clearer. Nice.
Nah.
And terus kita mau jelasin Wales sama Northern Ireland gimana nih? And those of Wales and Northern Ireland were around 45% to berapa ini? 49%. Jadi kita bisa hotels ini kita bisa jadikan satu kayak gini. Okay, let's see. England showed about 55%. Buat lebih apa ya, kayak jadi concise gitu, jadi satu.
Okay.
The British in three countries, England, Scotland, and Wales, had similar appetite. What do you mean appetite, sir? Nggak bisa, sir. Had similar apa ya? Preference mungkin.
Preference ya. Saya nyari preference sebenarnya, tapi namanya appetite ya udah.
Preference. That they chose self-caring and ini nggak usah koma, berarti preference-nya kita pakai adjective clause, berarti preference that bahwa that they choose self-catering in the second list. Okay, while Northern Ireland prefer to choose caravan dan self-catering. Give numbers. Mana ada numbers di sini?
Oh iya, karena itu detail ya.
Iya, jadi kayak bilang kayak same preference ya, we know, but ini prefer to choose like what number? Ini masih general. Oke, ini ada number di sini di akhir. Caravan in England was only chosen by around 6%. Okay, fine. Structure-nya fine. While in Scotland, it was chosen by slightly above, slightly to adjective, slightly adverb, by slightly above 10%. Okay, fine. Yang akhir fine, like the numbers. But this one, like these ones, have no numbers. No good. Okay, good though. Thanks, sir. Okay, Miss Astika. The paragraph provides information about 4 categories. Accommodation during vacation by British people. Overall, hotel was the most popular place while having a trip in British, like kind of what is
United Kingdom.
Ya, British itu tipe kayak typical orangnya. in
In the UK.
nice, in the UK, while self-catering was the second favorite combination in 4 countries, except you can simply use except in Northern Ireland. Yeah, get the point there. Good. Moving to a more detailed analysis, just above 40% of visitors in the UK. The UK chose hotels as their places to live. Not to live, to stay. To stay during their vacation. During their vacation, yep, ada 40%. Berarti di seluruhnya 40% ya, benar sih. Seluruhnya di atas 40%. However, caravan and camping accounted for, enggak, ini kurang apa nih? ACC, accounted for more or less 10% in England. Accounted for more or less 10% in England, Scotland, and Wales. Caravan and camping. The green one and yellow one. Yep, less than. Oh, around like ada over 10% juga, around like berapa di situ? Mungkin sekitar 5 to 12%. In England, okay, while in Northern Ireland shows no simple present here, right?
Sorry. Okay. Sure.
Respectively ini kembali ke apa, Miss? Dua angka ini.
Caravan and camping, because the previous one talking about caravan and camping.
Oh, to around 30% and 12% respectively. How many words here? 55.
The second one it's less.
Ya, makanya kayak cepet banget gitu. Ini groupingnya berarti gimana ya ini? Groupingnya gimana, Miss, ini?
Yang pertama aku lihat yang paling gede, and the second one, and then yang supaya kelihatan apa gapnya, yang aku lihat caravan camping itu datanya hampir similar. Terus yang terakhir ada sisa jadi accommodation.
Di sini, Miss, di detail 1 di sini ada hotels. Ada
Ya, yang pertama ada
caravan camping juga.
Iya, karena data caravan sama camping hampir similar di 3 negara kan.
Oh gitu.
Cuman Northern Ireland yang beda supaya ngeliat
di sini kayak developmentnya kurang, makanya hanya 130-an kata di sini. Jadi groupingnya akan lebih bagus, misalnya ini sesuai kategorinya. Jadi yang paling mencolok di sini kan warna merah dan warna biru ya kan. Jadi details pertama kita bisa sampaikan 2 kategori ini, hotel sama self catering. Oke, jadi hotel sama self catering di semua stage di sini kita jelaskan seperti apa. Kemudian details kedua, kita ini yang kecil-kecil ini, yang hijau sama kuning ini details kedua. Jadi apa yang percentages untuk caravan dan camping di semua 4 stage ini kita jelaskan di details kedua. Akan lebih bagus kalau seperti itu misalnya.
Okay. But the last one is that okay actually?
Let's see.
The sentence.
With respect to self-catering accommodation, that's too long. But it's fine though. England and Wales provide an identical percentage. Provided an identical percentage. Identical percentage is to around using at pada angka segitu. At round respectively. Interestingly, the proportion in Scotland took 3 times. Took 3 times? What does it mean took?
Yeah. I mean like
Okay, had
counted
mungkin
like
ya.
that, Miss.
Had
Yeah, okay.
3 times higher than the proportion in Northern Ireland. Yeah, I think it is because of like the way you group the data, makanya nggak bisa well developed. So make sure like karena ini data kita hanya compare. Berarti pastikan nanti like you ask yourself again like okay, if I group the data by this, apakah saya nanti bisa compare semuanya? Karena di sini kan sebenarnya kita tujuannya mengcompare kondisi di semua states ini untuk jenis akomodasinya. Makanya akan lebih bagus sesuai kategorinya.
Okay. Miss, could you please copy the one that you edit? Mine, Miss, maksudnya. And then send in chat, Miss. So I will copy it and I will save it.
Apa di share? Bisa di grup?
Yang punya yang you edit punya I di share di grup di chat itu. Di chat
Okay.
itu aku copy.
Kalau nanti tes sih jangan itu sih. Kalau nanti tes jangan experimenting karena kalau experimenting kayak tadi juga kayak tuk apalagi. Jadinya kalau salah itu malah lower your score. Pastikan pakai yang pasti aja kosakatanya. It's fine though because like this is just a practice. But like during the real test, try not to do that.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss.
We have so many people this evening. I'm going fast actually, but I'm not sure if we can go through all of your writing. Okay, from Miss Indri. Holiday accommodation preference by British citizens in 2010 is presented. Overall, it can be clearly seen that overall itu sudah memberikan makna secara umum. So this one is unnecessary actually. British people tend to stay because it's in the past. Mungkin kita bisa pakai preferred atau tended to stay at hotels for holidays compared with other accommodation. Cuma bilang bahwa di sini hotel yang paling sering dipilih. Kurang apa ya? Kurang mencakup semua. Kalau misalnya Miss Indri hanya bilang hotel doang. Kasih ini. Self catering. Kasih penyebutan self catering kayak gimana dia. Kemudian ini bahwa caravan dan camping ini hanya made up small percentages. Biar lebih clear. Initially, hotel was the most popular accommodation in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, with more than 40% good. Self-catering accommodation was the second largest proportion. The second highest proportion. The number is high. The amount is high. Proportion in third places. The second, and then what does it mean in third places?
Maksudnya tuh dia tiga terbesar di 3 tempat itu dia yang paling besar walaupun ada reverse.
Ini artinya tempat ketiga.
Ya. Agak tanya.
In 3 states. In the 3 states. While Northern Ireland options showed the reverse condition. Kalau sudah masuk apa ya di sini kan details. Kalau sudah masuk details paragraf, kita udah nggak pakai hal-hal yang umum kayak gini, show the reverse. Buat dia jelas apa kondisinya di sana. Apa yang gede di Northern Ireland. Yang gede di Northern Ireland yang untuk yang posisi kedua ini kan ini yang hijau. Buat jelas bahwa itu karavan.
Oh, enggak, maksudnya Miss, kan tadi saya ngomongin yang hotel dulu tuh, dia paling besar kan di empat-empatnya. Nah, yang kedua tuh self catering. Dia jadi tiga terbesar di 3 tempat, tapi cuma satu dia yang shown the reverse, maksudnya gitu Miss.
Yep, okay, get the point there. Pak the structure mungkin yang bikin yang mungkin bikin complicated. Ya enggak?
Ya Miss.
In 3 states. Oke, jadi groupingnya, I think I know it. Di sini groupingnya hanya hotels dan self catering, which is good. Berarti details kedua caravan dan camping. Mungkin nggak show the reverse ya apa ya? In 3 states, except kan sudah di in 3 states. But not in Northern Ireland mungkin. Anyway, let's move on. Camping self-catering has the same proportion in Northern Ireland with around 11%. Katanya cuma bahas self-catering dan
Iya, itu
hotel.
tapi maksudnya harusnya self catering dulu ya kali ya. Self catering and camping tuh ketukar Miss. Maksudnya dia mau ngasih tahu itu punya jumlah yang sama di Northern Ireland gitu.
Oh, I see. Self-catering and had the same proportion in Northern Ireland with around 11%. Ini groupingnya jadi gimana? Kukira detail satu groupingnya hotels dan self-catering.
Iya, nomor 1 tuh hotel sama self catering. Nomor 2 itu aku karavan sama apa tuh camping. Apa satu lagi? Iya camping.
Oke, details kedua, caravan in Northern Ireland was the largest compared with 3 other places. Let's see, caravan in Northern Ireland. Yep. In contrast with England, chosen which it plays. The structure, that's why it's confusing, because of the structure. As the lowest proportion by around. How do I fix this? Caravan in Northern Ireland was the largest, the highest. Compare with 3 other places. Yap, caravan paling tinggi. Tiba-tiba kok bilang in contrast with England, chosen which was lowest proportion by around 5%.
Ya, tapi dia di Inggris tuh, di England dia yang paling kecil. Di Northern paling besar, di Inggris paling kecil. Nah.
England had the least proportion with 5%. Is that clear? If we change that one, well, England had the least proportion. Moreover, Scotland and Wales chosen.
Nah, itu aku mau bilang, Miss, caravan and camping yang di Scotland sama di Wales, itu kondisinya tuh kontras gitu, yang satu lebih tinggi di sini, satu lebih tinggi di sini. Gitu gimana ya, Miss?
The structure. Scotland and Wales choose for caravan and camping. Bukan Scotland and Wales yang choose. People in Scotland and Wales choose. People in Scotland and Wales choose caravan and camping. Atau mungkin langsung saja kasih angkanya. Kasih numbernya berapa of people, berarti ini kita kasih number of percentage-nya. Number percentage-nya seperti apa? Biar langsung jelas. Of people, Scotland and Wales choose caravan and camping as their stay, as their accommodation gitu. Ini karena di sini kan kalau hanya bilang kayak tadi ini yang punya Miss ini kan nggak ada angkanya, mending langsung kasih angka of people in Scotland, of people in Scotland dan Wales choose caravan and camping, berarti kita kasih tahu angkanya. And di sini by the way di second body paragraph di sini, second details paragraph di sini hanya ada satu angka 5%, which is not good karena like we need to know the number so we can compare. Ya, mending kasih angkanya langsung. Of people, misalnya 50% of people in Scotland and Wales choose caravan and camping as their accommodation. Seperti itu ya.
Oke, Miss.
Sip, thank you, Miss. The next, we still have 4 minutes. Nisa. Wow, that's so long. Let's see, how many words do we have? 207 words.
Miss, sorry, kayaknya itu ada yang double lah, Miss.
Mana?
Ini, besides yang pertama itu dihapus, Miss, sampai Wallace-nya. Yang kedua yang benar karena terpotong.
Sampai Wallace koma ini?
Pertama kan overall sampai percentages.
Overall di sini
Sampai was camping. Sampai was camping, Miss. Baru yang kedua, details one initially sampai Wallace.
Oke, overall sampai mana ini?
Overall sampai was camping, Miss.
Itu baris ke berapa? Coba bantu, Miss.
Iya, Miss, bener kok, Miss. Itu details one-nya yang dari initially sampai Wallace, Miss. Details one-nya initially. Memang agak banyak sih, Miss.
Lihat itu aja, overview dulu.
Ya,
The most popular settlement chosen, bukan settlement ya, settlement itu kayak tempat tinggal yang, as I know, settlement kayak tempat tinggal yang menetap karena ada kata settle di situ. But you may check it though, you may check it whether it's true or not. You may check it whether mungkin itu bisa digunakan untuk stay for a while, apakah enggak.
Settlement gitu ya, Miss.
Chosen by people in the UK was in the most popular settlement chosen by the UK was hotels. Gitu aja, was hotel. Karena yang paling dipilih ya kan hotel. While the less common accommodation for holiday was camping. Yap, dia ngasih yang paling dipilih dan yang paling sedikit dipilih. Oke, is that camping? Yang paling sedikit dipilih?
Camping sama
Actually no.
Harusnya,
Camping yellow. Enggak, not really.
Karena karavan ada yang tingginya, Miss. Satu di Northern Ireland. Jadi saya pikir overall kan yang paling rendah camping gitu.
Ya. Mending ini aja, karavan dan camping ini kita jadikan satu. Jadi kita bilang bahwa mereka punya small percentages dari ini tiga states di sini secara umum kan karena dia mewakili, maksudnya dia karena 3 stage dia munculnya kayak gini, paling sedikit di caravan dan camping, berarti itu kayak secara umum berarti caravan dan camping dia made up small percentages doang.
Percentages.
Iya, lebih bagus kalau kayak gitu.
Dua-duanya berarti ya, Miss.
Kan lebih jelas seperti itu ya. Initially live in hotel, no live ya, stay. Staying in hotel chosen as the most common. Live is like hidup lama di suatu tempat. Kalau stay itu for a while. Stay in hotel that is chosen as the most common place for living during vacation with more than 40% of countries living. Is nggak usah chosen as. Staying in a hotel was the most common place. Was the most common accommodation chosen for living during vacation with more than 40% of people in 4 countries in the UK. Yep, we know in the UK. Besides, actually udah jam 9. We have some chats here. Sorry ya guys, karena memang jadwalnya sampai jam 9. I need to end the meeting at 9. So I think it's all about like whether you get lucky or not, like to get the review, to get the feedback from me. Kalau saya ngumpulin duluan. Pak, untuk tomorrow kayaknya saya akan prioritas yang belum dapat feedback, Mam. Ini kayak Miss Nisa yang belum selesai, atau mungkin Mr. Wira. Jadi besok saya prioritaskan mereka. Okay. The point is at least you've practiced. Saya sebenarnya pengen kayak ngasih 20 menit gitu sesuai jadwal, sesuai misalnya kayak pengerjaannya 20 menit, tapi kayaknya bahkan 30 menit pun juga masih struggling gitu. That's why like 30 minutes and another 30 minute-nya buat feedback. Okay, sorry ya guys, if you cannot get the feedback tonight, but I'll make sure that you will be chosen tomorrow.
Miss.
Yep. So
Miss, berarti ini nanti saya send lagi besok feedbacknya atau
different
hari
question.
besok?
Besok different question.
Okay. Different question.
Kayaknya besok tax 2 deh. Lihat besok.
Tas tuh, Miss. Okay.
Karena ini kan dari kemarin kan sudah tax 1. Okay, sip. Thank you. At least you practice tonight. That's the point. Thank you ya.
Thank you, Miss.
Guys. Yep. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Yep. Thank you. Yep.